Alright, welcome back. Another episode of Project Big Ricky. Today, I'm going to be cutting off the back end of this frame. As you can see, I've taken a white pencil, measured in 8 inches on each side. This is a pretty simple cut. Basically, I'm just taking it off of that line. That's the first part of the short bed conversion for this truck. The second part of this is underneath the body. We'll be taking the body out right there. Taking it off, and then underneath the body we'll be cutting 12 inches out underneath the body and welding it back together. And I'll probably need a new drive shaft, shorter, to fit in there. But all the other suspension pieces, that right there, trailing arms on each side, because we're taking we're cutting in here, we don't need to adjust any of that stuff. Got the drop springs and the 12-inch slotted disc brakes right there. So the plan is that after I get this cut, the body and the fenders are all going to a body shop for sandblasting or soda blasting, and probably get a new hood. And then while they're doing that, I'll shorten the frame and then weld it up, and then take them the frame and they can soda blast that too, bring it back to me all primed up. And then the fun starts. So anyway, I'm about to take a chop in it and use that right there to make the chop, and come back and show you what it's done. Okay, so we're back. I cut that piece off. There's the 8 inches sitting on the ground right there. I decided I'm going to go ahead and show everybody that what I do when I cut. Usually when I cut, the most accurate place to make the cut is on the bottom side in this area right here, but that means that the sparks are going to spit on you. So I typically have a welding apron on when I do this, but it allows me to control the cut a lot better, and kind of slowly do it. Obviously you let the saw do the work, yada yada. So anyway, I'll put this off to the side and set it up so you can see what I'm doing when I cut it. Alright, I'm back. This is what an abrasion wheel does. It's really meant for debraying. If you look closely, you can see that it will actually take metal off. Try not to use abrasion wheels like that for any type of body work, because it'll put gouges in your metal. If you're going to do the type of thing where you want to get rust off of a body, and you're afraid you're going to heat it up, I'll go with like a flexible flat disc like this, and it kind of goes with the contours. And I try not to heat it up, because heating the metal on your body will warp the metal as well, and then you'll see all these curves in your body. So anyway, like I said, all I was really wanting to do is just kind of take the metal off so it wasn't such a sharp edge, and that part's done. So there.